Well, my name is Kang, and I'm the MLA for Burnaby Center, as well as the Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, and Sport. And I've had the pleasure of meeting many of you just a while ago to talk about FIFA, because I've noticed that many of the people at the Hazara Community are big football fans. Are you? And I know many of you, girls and boys, all ages, love playing soccer, and I'm so excited because soccer unites us. Soccer brings peace. Soccer brings friendship, and that's what I want to see. So as Minister for Arts and Culture, I want to recognize how important the Hazara community is here in British Columbia. We say that there's so much to see around the world, but in BC, we have the world here in British Columbia, and I am so grateful to be part of your community, to learn from you. And today, my theme for you is Dare to Dream. Dare to Dream. What does that mean? I want to first pay my respects to all the elders that I see here, all the parents, mothers, fathers, who have brought your family to British Columbia. Immigration is a scary journey, but with us together, with us supporting each other, I want you to know that you have the support of the BC government, but as well as the Canadian government under Peter Julian, our friend. And we want to make sure that the immigration path is one that is filled with welcoming presence. Dare to dream. My parents came here as immigrants as well in the 1980s. They brought together my brother and myself. It was not easy. We didn't know the language, we didn't have a job, we didn't have a home, and it was thanks to friends and relatives who allowed us to stay there. But now, when we think forward 40 years, I myself, who was an immigrant, can now serve as part of BC's provincial government and a minister. A woman of color who can now represent and bring FIFA to British Columbia so that we can all enjoy the game. So I want to say, yes, I believe in the poet who was here touching our hearts with her poem. With hardship, we can grow flowers. I believe in those who have small businesses who have booth here, because you can succeed. And like MLA Paul Choi say, we can make money here. The musicians, the artists, the athletes, the Hazara community, we dare to dream, we will be champions, and we will be here to support you. So thank you so much for being champions, for bringing diversity and your beautiful culture to British Columbia. We love you. Beautiful people here today. Thank you so much for sharing your culture with us. I am very humbled. Thank you.